Welcome to CardSync AI, the revolutionary business card scanning solution by Primacy Infotech, powered by cutting-edge AI and seamlessly integrated with Odoo CRM. After a busy event or when receiving business cards, manually typing or writing down the details takes too long and often leads to errors. Lost cards, duplicated data, and missed opportunities plague sales teams every day.
Introducing CardSync AI, your smart AI-powered solution for effortlessly capturing business card details. With just a quick scan, our app instantly extracts critical contact information, creates leads, and schedules follow-up activities directly in your Odoo CRM. Our advanced OCR technology supports scanning both sides of your business cards to capture every detail. Automatically create or update leads in Odoo, complete with the scanned card image attached to each record. Benefit from intelligent lead scoring and automated assignment, ensuring your most promising prospects receive immediate attention. Never miss a follow-up. CardSync AI schedules your next activities, calls, meetings, tasks, and more automatically in Odoo. And easily save contacts along with the card image directly to your phone's contact list. Open the CardSync AI app and scan your business card instantly, even both sides for a complete record. Watch as AI extracts, verifies, and structures your data in real time. The app immediately creates or updates your lead in Odoo, attaching the scanned card image and scheduling a follow-up activity. Finally, save the contact directly to your phone for quick access. SR. Use clear, numbered animations for each step with concise on-screen text. Include pointer animations and transitions between the